Hey everybody, hope you guys are doing great. I am super excited that we are going to do an outdoor project today. We're going to take a little bit of break from furniture flipping this week. I am off for Thanksgiving break, and so I want to show you guys what I'm going to do with my garden. Now, unfortunately, my garden has overgrown like crazy. I did come and pull the very, very tall, like almost waist size weeds out, so I wasn't looking so shameful. But we have gorgeous space out here in our backyard, and so I want to show you how you can have a really simple, easy succulent garden that is gorgeous for like little to nothing. I started with a few pots with succulent clippings a few years ago, and over the last few years we have turned it into this gorgeous garden that needs to get weeded today. But I'm gonna pull everything up out of the ground that isn't like a jade tree, and I got a bunch of nursery pots off of Facebook Marketplace for free. So if you are in a buy nothing group, if you're in Facebook Marketplace, if you're on OfferUp or Nextdoor, you can totally get so much for free and create yourself this beautiful outdoor space. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. That is also going to save me in the long run from having to do what I'm doing right now, because we have to keep pulling things back up every year, and I want to change that and make that process a little bit simpler. So bear with me, let's go ahead and get this project started. So this is what everything looks like right now. Now to you, you may say, wow, Deborah, that looks gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at those weeds. It's so bad. And that one's like out of the ground. So these are our gorgeous plants, which normally look flourishing and beautiful and happy. But you can see the weeds have overgrown everything. So we need to go ahead and clean all of this up, clean up all the pots, and get it looking gorgeous again, just in time for a great winter rain. So here's a big view of it from back here. So we're gonna focus on this one today. So I'm super excited to do this project with you guys today. Let's get started. So what I've done is taken a few of the succulents out of the ground to go ahead and pot them as I go. I don't want to create a huge mess here on the table, which I've done in the past. It becomes way too overwhelming and you just don't know what to do. So I'm going to take a few out at a time. I'm going to arrange them into pots and put them off to the side. And so what I've done is, here's the first little stack of pots that I have, but that's pretty deep. And I only have 2 of these bags right now, so I don't want to use up all of that soil. So what I did is I took some shears here and I cut this pot down a little bit. So I don't actually need these pots to look super pretty, because what I may end up doing over here is just letting the succulents grow over them and then putting rocks down on the ground and making cute little stepstones and things like that. I may not end up putting these succulents back in the ground. I've really dealt with weeds quite horribly here, and we have so many birds and so many squirrels around here that love to dig up my ground and put their nuts in it and put whatever else in it. So things grow like crazy around here. So I think making these little makeshift pots so the succulents can just grow over them is probably the safest thing for me to go ahead and do. Okay, you guys, so after about 2 hours, I have gotten the majority of everything out of the ground that I wanted to get out of the ground. unfortunately some of it to go on the table. That's not what I wanted, but that's okay. It's totally fine. I did go ahead and fill up a bunch of pots, so I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys exactly what I did. Okay, it's getting dark, so I wanted you guys to be able to see before it gets too dark. So I got all of this out of the ground all the way up into here. I will do the rest of this later because I want to clean all of that up and change it. But everything here that is in the ground right now are jade plants that are growing, or these beautiful ones right here. It looks so pretty. I take most of my wine pictures in front of it. If you guys don't know, I am a blogger as well. And so I'm actually going to blog about this too and embed my video into it. So I hope you guys will check out my blog and subscribe to my YouTube channel, of course. So this is what the ground looks like right now. I did have to put a bunch of crap on the table, so that's okay. We're fine. But look what I did accomplish. So I got all of these succulents into some containers. And then I do have pots that were already back there that I do need to take out and clean up. I do have a few more little ones that I did there. And that. And then remember, I have all of that over there. So I'm hoping to do a little bit each day to go ahead and get this to the point of where I want it for the winter time right now. The other thing that I am going to start doing is growing veggies. So I've been doing a bunch of research. I have a friend that wrote a book, and I'm actually reading her book right now, so I can give her a great review. So shout out to Lara Blom. I will actually put your book when it's ready in the comments of this video and my veggie videos to come, because I think she's done amazing, phenomenal work, and she deserves all the credit. So when it's ready, I'll tell you guys, you'll check out her book. So I have onions that I've already planted, because have you guys ever had your onions on the counter and then you see them starting to sprout? Now I thought, what if I finally did a veggie garden? So I've been wanting to do it for years. So part of this stuff may be potted veggies that I'm going to do. I'm not going to do anything in ground right now. I want to go ahead and learn my lessons first and go from there. So I'm going to show you guys my onions that I have and link the blog that I read on how to pull apart your onions. And the funniest thing right now, guys, so we have a bunch of veggies in the house and I'm like, don't do anything with this. This is my sweet potato. I'm waiting for it to bud. This is my red onion that I'm waiting for it to bud. So I have a few things I've saved out. There's also a great guy on Instagram called Creative Explained. I'll go ahead and put his tag in here too. And he has taught me so much about veggies, fruits, everything that you can go ahead and grow from things you already have in your house that you can start to see things from. So I'm going to be doing a ton of that this winter and getting ready to plant. Just realized that I forgot to show you guys my onions, so let's go check it out right now. So here are my 2 onions. I am going to put the red onions in here once they start sprouting. So this was actually 1 onion, but 2 sprouts came out of it. And so I pulled apart the onion and you take it down to the root, but you don't get rid of the root. And then 2 stalks came out of it. So these little green guys right here are actually fresh stalks that are coming out of this. This is the old stalk that will kind of wilt and go away. You can see it's all wilty right there. But these little green guys I don't want to touch on. They're brand new and fresh. So stay tuned, you guys. I have so much more to come. I'm so excited. So thank you guys for being a part of this today. I will show you guys soon what is going to finish up in my garden and what it looks like. So stay tuned to part 2.